everyone, welcome back to my channel, So Little Time, and my name is Karen. So today's vlog is to go through my February plans with you. I just want to firstly apologise that the lighting isn't so great again today. I'm again filming in my front room, and that's because I've tried it in my bedroom and I just can't get the lighting right today. It's quite a bright day, the sun's in and out, so it might go bright and not so bright on this video, so I do apologise for that. So my February plans then, I've got two things that I really want to crack on with this month. First one being the Carnaby Dress Sewalong that I've promised you. So I'll get that done this month for you, so you'll be able to view that at the end of the month. The pattern, I have it here for you to see. It's the Needle Carnaby, and I'm going to be doing the sleeveless version. And you can see it's got these little pockets along the seam line. And the fabric I've chosen for this is from Guthrie & Garney. And it's called Love Stone by Fina Brooks for Dashwood Studio. And you'll see that it's a grey background, cotton fabric, with there's some mustard and pink tones with some white florals. I might actually put some piping in where the skirt section meets the dress, just to break it up a little bit. So I'll see if I do end up doing that, so I'm not sure yet. Now for this dress, I promised in the sew along to show you how to do the burrito method for the all-in-one facing. So I will definitely do that for you. However, last time I cut the back of the dress on the fold where I omitted the zip, but this time I'm not going to do that. What I'm going to do is actually put a back seam in. And the reason for that is that I contacted Joy from Pink Coat Club on Instagram. She's made quite a few of these dresses, and I just asked for advice to see if she had any issue with the dress portion lining up with the skirt section at the bottom, because I had a problem where the skirt section was too wide to fit onto the bottom of the dress. And I think the reason for that is that she's told me that there's actually a curve on the back dress panel. So it's not supposed to sit on the fold, obviously, because you've got this zip that's supposed to be in the top. So how I got it to fit on the fold for my previous dress, I don't know. But that is probably why. So I'm hoping that just having a back seam will eliminate that problem that I had. So I will still be able to do the all-in-one facing, because I still will treat the back dress as one piece once I've put the seam in. So the facing will be one piece, even if I have to seam it together at the back. So I'll still be able to do that burrito method. And then I can show you how I brought in the shoulders. I might not need to bring in the shoulders on this one because I'm going to make a different size. And the last time I made a size, I think it was a straight 12, and that was way too big at the top, and also I had a lot of excess in the back, lots of fabric. So this time I'm going to do a size 10 and grade out to a 12 on the skirt, or I might do a size 8 and grade out to a 10. I'm going to see how I go. And I cut the pieces out to see what works best. Yeah, so that's my main priority for this month. And then also I want to make a toile of my dress for the dressmakers ball. That's coming up at the end of March, and it seems to be coming and creeping round really, really fast. And I just know that I'm going to be sewing it last minute if I don't crack on. Now the pattern I'm using is McCall's M6953, and I'm going to be doing this version here, high-low hem. It does have a contrast panel at the bottom, but I'm not going to do that. I'm going to have it all in one fabric. And I ordered some swatches from Midland Textiles in Birmingham. And it's this false silk dupion. And I think that'd be really nice to work with. This is going to be the official fabric, but I'm going to order, or actually visit the shop in Birmingham and get the midnight blue, because I don't want that much of a royal blue. And then I did order some swatches for the lining, because obviously I'm going to have it so that there's a lining where my legs are, so it's when it's facing out, you know, it'd be something quite pretty to look at, or something, so you don't have to see any seams. Now I ordered this off an eBay seller. I can't remember the name of the seller, so I will link that detail in the description box below. And this is a black silk taffeta fabric with some gold sort of metallic stars and bits and bobs on. And I don't really like this fabric. I mean, it looks quite nice on the screen, but it's a silk taffeta and it feels like it could be quite staticky, so I don't know if that would stick to me. It was sticking to my hand then, do you see? Look, it's already sticking. So yeah, I don't really want that to happen on the dress. Can you imagine it being sticking to my legs all night? That would drive me crazy. So I'm decided, yeah, I'm not going to do that. I think I might even end up just doing a plain lining in a similar fabric to that. Now this shop that I'm going to be visiting in Birmingham, Midland Textiles, I think they do specialise in like sari fabrics and things like that, so there should be quite a lot of choice. So I'm looking forward to visiting there because I've not been before. So I'll see what I can find, and also their prices are quite reasonable when I've looked on their website, so hopefully this dress won't cost me the earth, because I'm not going to be wearing it all that often, being quite a ball gowny kind of thing. But like I said in my previous vlog, I turned 40 this year, as do a few of my friends, so you never know, I might get the option to wear it again. Yeah, so that's my main two things. My priorities this month is to make those two dresses. Now my friend Anna, who lives a few doors down from me, she's asked me again to make her a Cleo Pinafore dress, and she's already given me the fabric for that, and I'll show you it. It was given to her by one of her husband's customers, and it's a I don't know what type of the fabric it is, but it's like a suiting fabric, but it is really quite lightweight. It has ever such a lot here, so way more than I need for the Clio, but it is quite lightweight in its feel. It drapes quite nice as well, but I'm going to line it for that reason. Now this fabric is actually made in Italy by Gianni Versace, so I want to do this fabric justice for her, and it's a wool and cashmere blend, so I'm going to have to be careful how I wash that. Probably put it on a delicate cycle or a 30-degree wash or something. It's quite smooth, so also what I'm going to do is use standard dungaree buckles rather than the prim snaps that I use on mine, because the last few I've had haven't been that good quality with their grip and they've been sliding about. So I thought the dungaree buckles that you can get for you know, normal dungaree style things, they would work a lot better. So that's what I'm going to do. So I'm going to do that off after I've done the other two things that I want to do this month, because I'm going to see how I get on. I don't want to fill my month too much with other things, because those are the two things that I really want to get done. So yeah, that's all for today then. Thank you very much for tuning in and watching. I hope you've enjoyed this vlog. Please like and subscribe, and I'll see you at the end of the month, hopefully with things made that I want to. All right, thanks a lot then. Bye.